Ooh, look what came in the mail today. Shaw Fiber Plus gig internet. You know, plug it in down there. Take out that baby. Put that one there. Well, let's see what the difference is. There we go. At the hive of the supercomputer. Gonna go with Speed Smart. Let's see what this baby does. Here's the old internet. It's supposed to be 500 megabits download speed. Oh, maybe it's only 200. Upload speed. Ooh, not a very good upload speed. Still trying to upload. 26-second ping millisecond. Still not uploading. Oh, upload speed. Oh, holy shit, that's lousy. Hey, this is the old one, guys. Okay, we'll retest it. Just enjoy a little brewski. This is my home brew. I made it. My Pilsner. All kinds of Pilsner. Oh, a little bit better download speed. Upload speed is sucking big time. Gonna have the same rating. Slightly faster. Ping. 1.8 milliseconds. Or 18 milliseconds. This is going to Seattle. I think the cold affects it somehow. Yeah, even lousier up speed. Okay, we'll try a different website. Where is it here? That's not it. There it is. Which one is my Speed Smart? Just this one. Try this one. All the way to Texas, Dallas, Texas. What is that it? That it? Still going? Okay, that's kind of fucked. I don't know how to interpret that. Yeah. Oh, another video. Shit. Whatever, I'll glue you together. Alright, just plug your Ethernet in. I think that's a proper electrification. You put the coax in the bottom and the power cord to the power cord. And you plug it into the wall. Put the coax first. Okay, all hooked up. Gave it a few minutes to do its thing. Took a while, but about 5-10 minutes. Whatever. There we go. Now it's 2:20 p.m. Almost double the speed, download speed. 62 megabits upload speed. Supposed to be 100, they claim. But that's a big improvement since my last modem. Cool. There you have it. Shaw gig internet. And hopefully that goes up faster too. The 400 should be like 1,000. I don't know what's up with that, but maybe it'll click over and speed up eventually. Hey, there you go. Petey Hamilton out.